In this video, I'm going to show you the best social media plugins for WordPress in 2023. These plugins can help you get more followers, grow your business, and boost your sales in no time. And make sure to watch till the end because you don't want to miss out on number 5. Let's get started with number 1, Instagram Feed Pro. The Smash Balloon Instagram Feed Pro plugin is the ultimate Instagram plugin for WordPress. It lets you easily integrate stunning Instagram feeds to your WordPress website and customize them to perfectly align with your brand's style. The plugin has a range of different features, including seamless connection with your Instagram accounts, streamlined feed creation, and easy embedding on your site. While there's a free version of the plugin with some limitations available through the WordPress repository, the premium version Instagram Feed Pro offers an array of responsive feed options, making it an essential plugin for those aiming to boost their Instagram followers. If you want to check it out, you can visit smashballoon.com or click the link in the description of this video. And for number 2, we have Social Wall Pro, the best social media aggregator for WordPress. Imagine effortlessly combining feeds from platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube into one cohesive feed. This is exactly what Social Wall Pro does. This user-friendly and highly customizable plugin lets you make a combined social media feed with ease without having to deal with any code or hiring developers. With the plugin, you can effortlessly create a beautiful combined feed like this and easily embed it on your WordPress website too. Visit smashballoon.com to check out Social Wall Pro today. At number 3, we have SeedProd, the ultimate drag-and-drop WordPress website builder. With the plugin, you can craft beautiful themes for your WordPress website without having to deal with complex code. But SeedProd is not only a website builder, it's an amazing page builder too. This means that you can use it to display your social media content on your site. You can do this easily by using SeedProd's purpose-built social media blocks like the Facebook embed block, the Facebook like box, the Twitter embed timeline, and the Twitter follow button too. With these social media blocks, use SeedProd to amplify your high-converting landing pages with ease. You can check it out by visiting seedprod.com. Next, at number 4, we have the Shared Counts plugin, a top-tier social sharing plugin built for WordPress. It comes equipped with a range of social media icons, including buttons for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and a social share counts button as well. Shared Counts simplifies the process of adding social media share buttons onto your WordPress website. This is a go-to option for bloggers if you're seeking a seamless integration. But that's not all. This dynamic plugin goes a step further, supporting social count display and tracking, allowing you to leverage share counts as social proof to inspire more readers to share your content to their audience. And last but not least, we have RafflePress, the ultimate WordPress giveaway plugin designed to boost your site's follower count. With its user-friendly drag-and-drop giveaway builder, RafflePress empowers you to create, customize, and launch amazing giveaways all without needing a developer. With its pre-designed templates, you can effortlessly kickstart your social media giveaways without needing to start from scratch. RafflePress gives users easy access to your contests with options to enter by liking, sharing, following, and subscribing. To purchase and download the plugin, you can visit RafflePress.com. And those are our 5 best social media plugins for WordPress in 2023. But it doesn't stop there though. You can find 5 additional social media plugins we recommend for WordPress in our blog post, so make sure to check it out. You can find a link for it in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.